What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your incognito tabs history in your Google Chrome browser. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your Chrome browser. After going to your Chrome browser, what you need to do, you have to type a URL just like this. You have to click on the search bar, then you have to type a URL like this. Okay, you can copy it from my description, otherwise you can manually type it. Chrome dot slash slash chrome urls slash, you have to type this URL. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you, so that you can check your incognito tabs history in your Google Chrome browser. So after doing so, you have to click on go. After going to this website, you have to find the option called history. You have to find a option called Chrome history just like this. We are going to click on this. You have to click on Chrome history just like this. After clicking on Chrome history, here you can see there is all the browsing history on your Google Chrome browser that you have browsed on incognito mode and regular mode. This is all the history. So this is how you can see or check your incognito tabs history in your Google Chrome browser. So I hope you find this video helpful, and leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.